No, what we are fight for Jamaica? Same. Them the name the way you just called a while ago. A fight for borders and tariff and who have more island, who have more land and Israel want should move land. We are Jamaica, we not in a war. We not in a war, and that is why Jamaican don't get asylum anywhere. Canada no have no provision for asylum. America no have no provision for. No Jamaican no go nowhere and can't get no asylum because we don't have any war. What we have is bad mind. Nobody no make provision for bad mind, Chris. What we are fight for? All of them who you see are analyze each other for live last night. Our best friend them, you know. Our best friend them, you know. Man must see this man. That's how we petty. Oh, people diss me. Oh, you diss me. Oh, you talk something about me. I just a little pettiness. Some little picnic will drop out of school early and go back on school. And them father gone farm work and go home back and married to other people. And them mother alone grow them. And, you know, our culture, you know, so them picnic there Jamaica, them drop, a lot of them drop out of school from, grade 6. Me have clients where picnic no go to school from grade 4. Then come up and then can't reason. But then you have people who are medical doctor, lawyer, who are bully and antagonize and harass and trouble people. And then call themselves medical doctor, and then call themselves lawyer, and then call themselves this. And then they on social media create havoc. And them claim say them a doctor this and them a nurse this and them a that this. A lot of them, school is just for a friend of mine. Me and her go university together. She write me and she say, a lot of people just go to university for self-actualization or nothing else. It not change we. I just self-actualization. But what we are fight for? Let's 3 TikTokers now gone in item. When named World Dog. This year one year. That the one the last week, TJ and Maya. So everywhere they create this something, they just create this whole heap of drama. This whole heap of rubbish. And them don't know how to solve conflict and them don't know conflict management and they don't know nothing. They just create this whole heap of unnecessary something. No, I may tell you. I don't have a problem with them. I create them this and then that, you know. But when you know, so you go create your problem and you go make sure so you have your burial money, you know. Make sure so when you create your nothing and you create your problem and you have your whole heap of problem. Make sure so you can bury yourself. Make sure so you can afford to do a cremation or you can afford dove cut. Make sure so you can afford your money. So not getting a problem and then the next 10 months you can't get a proper burial because nobody has no money. Make sure so not save on a TikTok money if you have on a farewell party. On no little money we not collect because I pay a problem we not create and I pay a conflict and we not create and I analyze each other per life, you know. So make sure say on no money we not collect. Make sure so not save some iPhone or repass. If you get what I mean. Charger.